Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ghost the Freelancer. How is everyone doing today? It is the 17th of April, and I am working on a qualification for a head called Find the Phone Number of a Business. This one is available both in OF as well as CW. There is a guideline to this. You can pull it up, but there's a lot to this one. But let's go to good resources. Good resources will be websites like businessname.com, like let's say McDonald's.com, official free hosting sites with activity from the business and the past 1 year, like let's say Wix or Weebly, official Facebook pages with recent posts from business for about or for the past 1 year. Bad resources will be business listings on Google or Bing, unofficial aggregator pages like Manta, Local Best, etc. Unofficial or outdated Facebook pages. Posts are only comments for about a year or for over a year. The website must show name and address that match the provided business details. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the qualification. I'll show you guys the thought process and how to work on this one. The first business is Urban Outfitters. This is the website. I would assume this is a chain, so meaning they would have different locations. So for this one, it is or the address rather is 101 Victoria Avenue East. I'm gonna accept cookies here. This one does not show the website, I mean the address, right? According to the guidelines, it should show us the website. I mean rather uh the location. So we don't have a location here. I'm gonna search for it just like so. Click on the link, and from here we can click on this one. Urban Outfitters. Let's go to location. Um, enter a location. This one, let's use the zip code. Search, view all stores, find the location. Search. Okay, I'm having some problems with this one. Hold on a sec. Urban Outfitters, 101 Victoria Avenue East, 100 miles. Oh, gee. Hold on a sec. I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna go with Google here. You see, this is the phone number listed, 1000. But I want to find the correct address. Uh, 101. I'm gonna go here with unable to verify or unable to verify. I'm gonna close this. It's useless. Now, Nordstrom Rack. This is going to be difficult. Uh, do they have a store in different locations? Let's scroll down. All right, it's a lot to this. Oh my God, it's okay. Order status, about us, store locator. There is a store locator. This one is in Canada. I'm gonna go here, click on this, and this is in Calgary, Alberta. Uh, Hold on a sec. This is Alberta. AB, and this is in Calgary. This one, and the address is 33. This one, I found it. It does take a while to work on this, so phone number is ending in 600. Um, Values are missing. I'm gonna put that there. Copy the phone number, just like so. Remove all these special characters and submit it. It's not an easy hit to work on. You have to do a research. So another Urban Outfitters store. Well, this one has the Halifax address, so this one should be easy. Ending, rather, the telephone number is 0962. It does not list, but let's confirm. It's 1650 Barrington Street. So values are missing or wrong, and I'm gonna copy this phone number here, just like so, and remove those special characters like so. Copy the website link, paste it just like that. And if you see this error message, since this is the quali, you have to refresh it because if you click on this skip button, it'll not allow you. So here is another website. It is called Dennis. Dennis would have different locations, guys. So you can click on that, see if there is like a store locator here. Unfortunately, let me click accept. Let me scroll down a bit. Um, would they have a store locator? Locations, there it is. And we are going to look for the one in Oregon. Is it Oregon or Orlando? I'm not sure. I don't want to use my location. I want to go with OR. Type that in there automatically. It'll give you the location. Um, let's just use the zip. I mean, the zip might be a lot easier. There it is. So address is 425. This one. From here, this is the phone number. Phone number is ending in 3272. This one. Provide the evidence, just like that, and paste it there. Close this so I won't get confused. Moving on is the Home Depot. Access denied. Oh my God. Hold on a sec. Let me click on this one and Google it for you all. This one is in Winnipeg. Address is 1833. I got it. Access denied. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna copy that still, paste it here, and see if I can get the phone number from this website here. That was this one. Where is the phone number here? Hey, the problem is I cannot see it based on the website, but I'm gonna try another way of pulling it up. Home Depot. There it is. 18 Grant Avenue. No, 1833 Grant Avenue, Dublin. This is, hold on a sec. Hardware and more in Dublin. It's confusing. This one is Veterans Boulevard, but the address shows Grant Avenue. Let me go back here. I chose this one. Ah, this is going to be a problem. I'm gonna go here with unable to verify, and I'll just go to Google. Maybe just uh, copy this thing and put it there. Let me go back to the hit. I just need to check on something. Um, well, that's fine. Oh, we already passed the qualification. The name again of the hit is find the phone number of a business. We can click on OK and we can start working on it if we like. Um, find the phone number of a business. It'll pay you around 0.03 cents per hit. Let me work on this one. Let's finish up about 5 hits. We passed the quali. So again, 9000 Mink Avenue. This is the right one. Phone number is 3080. This is wrong. So values above are missing. I'm gonna copy this one, paste it here, and copy the phone number just like that. And then go back to the hit, type that in there, remove those characters just like so, and then submit. Moving on to the next one. Again, this is the production already. We passed the qualification earlier, so it's hot topic. There will be a lot of branches for this particular business, so you have to do another research. Find a store, it's on top, click on it, and this one is in Tustin, Canada. You can always use the zip. I'm gonna block that thing. So this one is in 14. I'm not sure if this one is here. I'm trying to search for it. Let's do 100. I couldn't find this particular branch or store location, so I'm gonna do Google. It's available in Yelp. Now those in Yelp, unfortunately, you cannot use them because it's an aggregator site. So I'm not choose this. However, I am. This is a different location. I'm gonna go here with I verified values or unable to verify rather, and click submit. Taco Bell should have location as well. They would have different locations, so let's use the search option here and then do Google. So Taco Bell in Alpine Drive, 2710. Uh, Taco Bell, Taco Bell, Taco Bell, Taco Bell in Montrose. This is 2050. 2710 is the address. So for these types, you can always use unable to verify. So I'm gonna go with this. I'll just copy this one and choose unable to verify. Anyways, guys, that's it for the hit called find the phone number of a business. We pass it. And also, you can find us in Facebook. Our group name is ClickWorker Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. For you to be able to join, you have to answer the membership questions as well as subscribe to this channel. All right. Do not forget to hit that notification bell as well to get notified every time we upload a new video. I'm sorry. Again, my name is Ghost. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.